Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to be private and Reddit. So let's get started. At first let's get into Reddit app. So here it is. Now in the top right corner we can see this profile icon over here. Simply tap on this. And here we can see online status is on. Simply tap on this to turn off the online status. Now you can go to your account or the settings over here and click on account settings. Now scroll down and here we can see allow people to follow you. If you don't want that, simply turn this off. Now to avoid chat and messaging permissions as well, simply tap on this one and you can turn this chat request to nobody and direct messages to nobody. So this is it. This is how we can convert our Reddit account to private. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.